So this is the last one on your back of your worksheet. And so when we look at this, we can see now that our midline is in a different place. So finally, we've changed the midline, which tells me that this is a vertical shift down. So if you visualize the midline, it occurs at -3. So y equals -3 is your midline. The amplitude is still 1. And the reason I know that is because the highest height and the lowest low is 1 unit away from the midline. This appears to look just like the parent function, meaning we see one complete wave in 2 pi units. So I'm going to say the frequency is 1. If the frequency is 1, that means the period is 2 pi because we see one complete wave in the 2 pi units. The only other thing we need to think about is there a phase shift? And because it looks just like the parent function, sine x, meaning it goes up, down, up, we know that there's no phase shift. As long as it has that general look of up, down, up, there's no phase shift. So y equals, the first number is the amplitude, sine, the frequency is 1, x minus 0, there's no phase shift, and then we're going to subtract 3 from this for the midline. I think a simpler way, though, of writing the equation would be to just write y equals sine x minus 3, keeping in mind that that minus 3 is not in with the x, it's tacked on to the end.